Hey guys, in today's video we'll be making this bag, so let's get to it. First, take your paper and form a square with it by folding it halfway and cut off the excess. So now fold the square in the opposite direction. When you open it back up, there should be an X formed. Then fold it in half vertically and horizontally. So here I'm done. Then take your flap and make a triangle out of it according to the lines. So you should have 4 flaps here. Then fold it in thirds like so, and it should be flat. So here it is done. Then you should have these little triangles formed, and according to that, fold the other flap other way so that you form 4 triangles, as I'm doing here. So now that you have 4 triangles, take 2 of them out, and then you should be able to form your bag. Because of all the folds we've done, it should create a bag. Here you go. Now fold the sides of it so that it looks like an actual school bag. So you have all the sides fold and the bottom should be folded too. So it looks like this, and then you just tuck in your flap. Now that that's done, let's make the handles. So cut out a strip of paper from the excess piece of paper. You can decide on how thick you want it, but we are going to fold it around 5 times, so don't make it too thin. So I'm folding it again on both sides and then folding it all together. So here you go. Then cut off a little piece and fold the edges of it. Then take your tape and attach tape on the edges so that it doesn't come out. So here you go, this is how you're supposed to do it. Do the same for the other one too. Now let's make the top handle. For the top handle, take out a little piece of strip and basically do the same thing, but this time you don't need to fold it that many times. You only have to fold it on the sides so that it becomes more like a handle on a school bag. So this is how it should look, and then just take a piece of tape and attach it at the bottom. And now I'm attaching it onto the top, and your school bag is done. And you can open it and store stuff. Bye!